So good morning all. So in the previous days we studied about the network, introduction of network and network components. So today we are going to study about types of network. So here, so in your Sumita Arora textbook, it containing only two types of network. So LAN and WAN. LAN and WAN. LAN means local area network, WAN means wide area network. So here the types of network based on the geographical spread. So geographical spread means which means that how much area it is covered. So how much area it is covered. So it is broadly classified into two types in your Sumita Arora textbook. But so there are too many other types it is also available. So we can study these types of network by using NCRT only. So this is also here you can also study in Sumita Arora, same time we can also by using NCRT. So first we can study from that Sumita Arora. So here both the text containing same content only, but here it contains in Sumita Arora containing LAN and WAN only. But in exam you need to write about LAN, WAN, MAN and two other more network. So it is clearly written in where in our NCRT textbook. So here this is the NCRT textbook. So here types of network, it is first one is PAN, personal area network, second one is LAN, then MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN, wide area network. So but in the Sumita Arora it is only written as LAN and WAN. So you need to study these four also. So you can start from here. Then based on the geographical area covered and the data transfer rate, computer networks are broadly classified into four different types: personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network and wide area network. So first one is called PAN, personal area network. So here what do you mean by PAN? So look at that, there is a computer is there. So in one laptop, so it is connected by another laptop and it is connected by another cell phone, it is connected by microphone, smartphone, one printer and one mouse. So this is nothing but this is called a personal area network. So look at that, by definition it is a network formed by connecting few personal devices like computers, laptop, mobile phones and smartphones, printer, etc. So as shown in the figure 10.4, this is a figure. All these devices lie within an approximate range of 10 meter. So this is the main important point, 10 meter. All the connected devices should be within the range of 10 meters. So this is the limitations, not a limitation, this is the area covered by that PAN, PAN, personal area network. A personal area network may be a wired or wireless. So we can connect by wired and wireless. For example, we can connect another computer by using wire, or you can connect another mobile phone by using Wi-Fi. For example, a mobile phone connected to the laptop through USB from a wired PAN, while two smartphones are communicating with each other through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It is called a wireless PAN. Wireless PAN means VPAN. Wireless PAN full form is VPAN, means wireless personal area network. So this is an example of personal area network. So here it's an important point is this range 10 meter. So you need to study to draw this diagram also. This is the first types of network, personal area network. So second one is called a LAN, local area network. So LAN, look at that here. So in our computer lab is also we are using LAN only. So it's a type of network that connected computers, mobile phones, tablet, mouse, printer, etc. placed at the limited distance. So limited distance, this is the main key point here, limited distance. So here the geographical area covered by a LAN can be ranged from a single room or a floor, an office having one or more buildings in a same premise, or laboratory, a school, college, university campus. So here is the main area we are using a local area network. So here the connectivity is done by means of wires, Ethernet cable, fiber optics or Wi-Fi. So here look at that, this is a figure of the local area network. So here LAN is, what is the main advantage of LAN means LAN is comparatively secure, only authenticate, so it is secure. So only authentic users in the network can access other computer or shared resources. So here this is a LAN, local area network. So here computers are connected, printer is connected, then one tablet is connected here. So the main advantage means it is secure, only authentic. Only authentic means only it's those user have the user ID and password, that is called authentic. Authentic password, authentic users only access the network and the resources. So then the users can print the document. The users can print the document by using the connected printer, or download the documents from the software and from the local server. So here assume that this computer is act as a server, then all other systems can download the document or upload the document to this computer, and all other computer can be take the printout by using this printer. So this is the advantage of LAN, local area network. So here such LANs provide a short range communication with a high speed data transfer rate. This is important point. A LANs provide the short range communication with high speed data transfer rate. So here next important point is this types of network can be extended up to 1 kilometer. So the maximum the range it is covered by the LAN is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, important question, 1 kilometer. And the data transfer also. So what is the data transfer rate? The data transfer in LAN is quite high. It is very high. It is usually vary from 10 MB. So in the Ethernet it is 10 MB, and it is move up to 1000 Mbps second. It is called a gigabit in Ethernet. So there is two important names is also important. Ethernet, which means that a LAN provide 10 Mbps data transfer rate. So other when a LAN provides 1000 Mbps, it is called a gigabit Ethernet. So then the Ethernet is a set of rules that decide how the computers and the other devices are connected with each other through the cable in a local area network. Oh, this is nothing but Ethernet is a set of rules only. It decides that how the computer and other devices connected with each other through cables in a local area network, or simply LAN. So this is the explanation of LAN. So here important points you need to remember that the maximum the area covered is 1 kilometer. Then the data transfer rate also 10 Mbps up to maximum 1000 Mbps. So then this figure is also important. So here then you need to study where we are using the LAN. So in a single room, on the same floor, or on the office building, like that only. So that is called a local area network. So next one is called a MAN. MAN means metropolitan area network. So metropolitan area network is extended form of a LAN only. It covers a larger geographical area like a city or a town. So as the name implies that it covers a city. It covers a city or a town. So the data transfer rate in MAN is also in the range of Mbps. We already study it in LAN also Mbps. So the data transfer rate in MAN also in the range of Mbps. Then the main important point is, but it is considerably less than as compared to LAN. So as compared to LAN, the data transfer rate in MAN is very less. So this is important point. So then where it is used, the cable TV network or the cable based broadband internet services are examples of MAN, metropolitan area network. Then this kind of network can be extended up to 30 to 40 kilometer, important point. So LAN only up to 1 kilometer, MAN is up to 30 to 40 kilometer, is important. Then we can create a MAN with that connected LANs. So too many LANs are connected together to form a MAN. So look at that, this is LAN 1, this is LAN 2, LAN 3. So this is fully connected together and can make a metropolitan area network. So this is the definitions for MAN. So you need to study that range also, then the speed also. Then this point is important. It is considerably less compared to the LAN. The speed is less. Then next one is called a wide area network. WAN, wide area network. So wide area network connect computers and other LANs and MANs which are spread across different geographical location of a country or the different countries, like that. So our internet is a better example for WAN. So a WAN could be formed by connecting a LAN to other LANs via wired or wireless media. The large business, educational and government organization connect their different branches in different locations across the world through the WAN. The internet is the largest one. Look at that. This is an important point. The internet is the largest one that connect the millions of computers, smartphones, and the millions of LANs from the different states, means not different countries. So here look at that. This is an example wide area network one. So look at that here. LAN 1 in Delhi, LAN 1 in Shimla. So here look at that. This is connected by an internet. So this is a local area network 1. This is local area network 2. It is in one place. It is in different another place. So this is called a wide area network. Wide area network. So these are the four different types of networks. Also based on the geographical area it is covered. First one is called a personal area network. We study that the maximum range is 10 meter. Then it is connected by Bluetooth or wireless or wired technology or the devices. The next one is called a LAN, local area network. Then here 1 kilometer is the range. Then 10 Mbps and up to 1000 Mbps is the data transfer rate. Then MAN, metropolitan area network. It is considerably less as compared to the LAN in the case of data transfer. Then it is extended up to 30 to 40 kilometer, and we can create the MAN by using interconnected LANs. So next one is called wide area network. So yeah, this is also. So these are the main three types of network you need to study. So you can make the notes on like this. Types of networks. So in the Sumida Arora it is also available. Sumida Arora, you can read the Sumida Arora also. Same point only, but the NCRT containing some more points. So in the Sumida Arora it is discuss only two types: local area network and wide area network. So look at that here. Same point. Look at that here. Traditionally, LAN is said to have the geographical spread of 1 kilometer. So it is already we study that. Then an important point is extra in the Sumida Arora is on the most LANs here this thing. On the most LAN cables are used to connect the network interface card in each computer. So in each computer there is a card is there. We yesterday's class we studied that the network interface unit is there. So that network interface card, there is a port is there RJ45. Through that port only we connect that cables in order to make LANs. So on the most LANs, cables are used to connect. LAN cables are used to connect the network interface card. So here each computer containing NIC card, that network card provides an entry point to the network. So you can in the back side you can see one port is there, that is nothing but RJ45. That cable is connected to that network interface card. So that is a way to create the LAN. Then wide area network is similar to that our NCRT textbook. So here one example is there, LAN example and WAN example. So you can use that NCRT textbook, it containing more information. So it contains, so it is specify the MAN also, but only small explanation only. So the internet is a giant WAN. It is a web is also a WAN. So here we study that internet is an example of wide area network. So this is an explanation for types of network. Hope you understand well. Make the note and send.